In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a domain in Mailerlite. First, make sure you're already logged in to your Mailerlite account. From your main dashboard, look toward the top right area and find the Account section. Click on that, and then select the option labeled Domains. This is where you'll manage and connect the domain you want to use for sending emails, so it's an important place to get familiar with. Once you're on the Domains page, look for a button that says Add Domain. Go ahead and click that. A small window will appear asking for an email address at the domain you want to connect. For example, it might be something like info@yourdomain.com or hello@yourdomain.com. Type in your professional email address there. Using a branded email rather than something like a free generic inbox helps your messages look more trustworthy and improves deliverability over time. After you enter your email, Mailerlite will guide you through a pop-up process to connect your domain. Just follow the on-screen prompts. One helpful thing here is that Mailerlite will automatically try to detect where your domain is hosted. So if your domain is registered with a provider like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Wix, or another popular host, it should recognize that for you. This saves you from having to dig around to remember which service you used. Next, you'll see a screen asking you to log in to your domain host. When that appears, click the button to continue, and you'll be redirected to your provider's login page. Sign in with your usual username and password for that domain host. Once you're logged in, you'll be asked to authorize Mailerlite to configure your DNS records. This simply means you're allowing Mailerlite to add the technical records needed behind the scenes so your emails can be properly verified. Confirm the authorization and give it a moment. Mailerlite will now set up and update the required DNS records automatically. You don't need to manually copy and paste anything, which dramatically reduces the chance of mistakes. After this process finishes, Mailerlite will verify and authenticate your domain. You'll usually see a confirmation status change on the domain's page. If it doesn't update right away, don't worry. DNS changes can sometimes take a little time to fully propagate. Once it shows as verified, your domain is successfully connected and you're ready to send campaigns from your own professional email address through Mailerlite.